Hello, hello, hello. I'm Crimson Ant, and welcome to Jurassic World Evolution. So, I actually haven't played this game in a while, and again, there's just another game that I wanted to go back to, and I was decided to record it. Was Jurassic World here? Because yeah, the last time I played it was when they came out with the update for Jurassic Park, which that was pretty cool. But that was a while ago, so I was decided, you know what, I'm gonna I'm just gonna actually start over. So, I'm actually just showing you right now. This is actually my first. Actually, this was the first island. Your first kind of park in Jurassic World here. So, I guess for anyone who doesn't know, or has never played it or seen this game, this is the campaign, right? So these are your main islands. Right now I'm on. Oh god, I cannot. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pronounce these. Isla Menaceros. Menaceros, I think. All I know is gonna have to say Isla Nublar. I know that because that everyone knows that island. But well,
This contract looks important, unworthy of consideration.
shush. I'm gonna decline it for now. But yeah, this is our starting island, and here's the other islands. I have most of them unlocked. As you can see, I have one still locked. The Tanco research facility. Oh yeah, that was another DLC. It was for, I think it was InGen's stuff. So, but anyways, yeah. So this is just a campaign I started up a long time ago. So decided just to go back to it here. But I'm actually gonna start a new one for our recording sessions here. But this is basically the game. You make your park. You make your park. You make your own Jurassic Park, basically. I mean, can't really get into more details than that. I mean, in this example here, I made an herbivore kind of habitat because I know the herbivores can get along together. Oh yeah, Frank. I forgot about Frank. Yeah, meet Frank. This is Frank the Triceratops. Why do you only? Why is he so low rating? It's probably not because of the combat. Yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot I just named all these guys. Dave, Tank. Why did I name you Tank? Did you get combat affiliate? No. I don't know. Well, I named some. Why did I name you all? I have no idea. Some names I don't understand why I named them, but anywho. Yeah, so that's the herbivore. And then I have the so I've learned also that you can mix the carnivores for the most part. Like say the velociraptors. Oh yeah, I had to do that. I had to make a reference to Jurassic Park. Clever girl. Anywho, I'm gonna stop getting distracted by my crazy names. Something I learned that I didn't know when I was making this park is you can mix carnivores, but you can only mix like say the velociraptors with the T-Rexes. Oh yeah, Doom Rex. I remember Doom Rex. Because you can only mix basically the small carnivores with the big carnivores. But if you mix, say, like the Velociraptors with the the Dilophosauruses, man, I had some good names. I had some banger names here. But anyways, yeah. So that's basically what you do. You build your park. You have your creation lab. I'll go more detail because I'm actually going to start over in a campaign. I just kind of wanted to show you, this is my first park. This is actually my first park that I'm really proud of. That's making a lot of money, as you can see. Yeah, it's making basically $500,000 a minute. So, it's impressive, I say. So, I'm actually going to start a new park, and I think it's going to be this starter island. So, yeah, we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Okay, this is as good a place as any to begin. Isla Matanceros.
Manticeros.
It's relatively stable. Yeah, you can get
Yeah.
your feet wet here, and you should. Diving into the deep end of the pool is where the big, angry, hungry things are, and you want to be ready before you try that.
Yep, so this is the starting island I should show you. So this is basically starting from scratch. So we're starting just new everything. I decided to just start from scratch. Because why not? So I kind of remember how to play this game. I think it's going to give me, yeah, they're going to give me a tutorial.
Public relations and crisis management.
Can I skip them?
You'll start by building a hammock creation
I know. I've played this before. Okay, so yep,
We've
you're
already
create that.
started on an enclosure for you.
Oh, I have to start
You
here.
should just
Okay.
attach it to the side. But watch out for dinosaurs. Ah, just kidding.
All right, this is gonna be a little slow because I have to kind of go over this
Let's focus
again.
on
So
what you're here to do, which is create dinosaur facilities on the islands we call the Five Deaths. Actually,
oh yeah, that's right. They call them the Five Deaths, right? I forgot about that. God, I haven't actually watched the movies in a while. I want to go back to watch it, especially like Jurassic Park and
You'll
stuff.
need to connect it to the pre-existing network of paths
Okay, so
and
yeah,
power
click
grid.
that. Another thing too, I do want to start a new campaign on Jurassic Park as well in this game. But for now, we're just, like I said, we're gonna stick with Jurassic World because this is with the.
Select the creation lab and pick a hatchery bay. There's enough
what?
genome data for your first.
Oh, right. I know what you're talking about. I know what they're talking about again. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna start with Jurassic World for now. So, oh god, I'm gonna be butchering all these dinos names. The You know what? We're just gonna call you the Strutho. You're calling you Stewie. You know what? We're gonna call you Stewie. That's gonna be Stewie.
Nations of the ambitious, undoing extinction, playing with nature's laws. What can possibly go wrong?
Come on, Doctor. You know we've learned so much and invested even more.
Wow, I
in
started
our
with almost $3 million.
operation
Jeez.
since the last time.
Yes.
No wonder
Mr.
why I
Finch,
did so
yes,
good in the
the
last one. Because I think we
last
start out with
time
less
is always the
when you go to the
last
other
time.
5 islands.
And the
Or
next.
4 islands. Excuse me. Alright. And release. And voila. Say hello to Stewie.
Life. It begins. The most precious moment. The result of incalculable
Whoa.
actions and
Hold on.
reactions.
Hold on. Back up. Back up.
Trials and errors.
Let's do free camera.
Genetic mutations and unknowable
Alright, let's do it.
combinations. Chaos.
Stewie.
All leading to a living, breathing, thinking being. An entity. Distinct and unique. And now we, you, just manufacture them. So, well done, I guess.
This isn't new. I mean, done it before. So, oh yeah, they probably
The
wanted me
Hammond
to.
Foundation has 3 main areas of interest.
Oh yeah, right.
Security,
Oh right, yeah.
entertainment, and science. I've already nudged the heads of each division to reach out to you personally. They'll offer opportunities and incentives for you to be part of their team. Choose one of their contracts. It'll help you develop your facility.
So basically, yeah, you have these three departments. I totally forgot about these guys. You got the science, entertainment, and security. Now, you basically have to keep them all happy, because if you don't, they're going to sabotage your park. One of them. So say, for instance, right, I really go heavy on the science division. I'm really helping them out, giving them resources, but I'm lacking in the entertainment. They can actually sabotage my park. For instance, they can like either do like what they did in Jurassic Park, basically like cut the power, or I believe they can even like break the gates and stuff to let dinos out. So you gotta watch that. I remember that. I totally forgot about that. So we'll just start with science division.
Ah, Dr. Dua. This is our new Director of Operations.
I'm aware, Cabot. I'm Dr. Dua. I run the science division of our operation. Okay, you're going to need to build your reputation in the science division. Not easy with me around, but you'll manage. That means managing our dinosaur population.
Where's the
and
sweet
seeing
spot?
that they are flourishing.
Okay. So this is an expedition center.
Contracts can be requested from the division heads inside the control room.
I'm gonna talk over them. This is the expedition center. And in this game you can actually get fossils and stuff to basically unlock dinosaurs. I don't know if they're gonna save my progress because I'm starting over. But basically you go all over the world to say I want a Velociraptor. I have to go find. Basically, I have to go find it. Go get the DNA. So this facility allows me to do that.
And if they don't get it, they tend to take it personally.
Yeah, I know. I just explained it. All right, so let's go view the map here. Okay, no, it does not. All right. So yeah, so here, right, this is our expedition map, all over the world.
People think money makes the world go round, but
Josh.
they're wrong.
And let's go
Contracts
for...
make the world go round, my friend. Obligations and commitments. Complete a contract, and your
go for
rep
carnivore.
science division will increase.
The, oh god, the Ceratosaurus? I'm not gonna pronounce it. Anyways, yep, there they go. So now they'll be back in about some time,
Team is out.
and they'll come
bring
back.
what
So
they find to the fossil center for extraction.
exactly, basically that. So, which I believe this is the fossil center. So, which I actually have some. Looks like. Okay, cool. So let me actually extract all
Rather simple,
these.
really. Create dinosaurs which attract visitors to your facilities, brings in capital, money, huh? Which means you can do more research to build better facilities and create
Speaking of
more
research, I gotta go to
dinosaurs. There
research.
you go. A circle of life.
So
Develop
research, is,
different
as you can see, is
resources.
diverse. You can also research new dig sites for fossils, different. Oh right, this is just showing it. Right. Yeah, actually, I do want to get the Triceratops. Okay, Josh. Oh yeah, that's right. I can't. It's not an issue. All right, but anyways, as I was saying, so the research basically you can get research enclosures, different types of buildings, like from entertainment to I forgot about storm defenses. I gotta worry about that. To power to whatever. Oh yeah, and then different fossils yield different results. So as you can see, there's a star rating. So for an example, we'll use this Triceratops one. This one's like only a 2-star one. I think it extracts, I want to say like only 10% or less. I'm trying to remember. I think it's less percentage. But basically, you know, 1 star is like the, you know, it's not a good quality fossil, to basically the 4-star, which is an amber. So, and that yields the most. And speaking of storms, it's storming already. Alright, so I'm almost there with the Triceratops. That's good. Let's get another Strutho here. Actually, let's get a few here. Oh yeah, another thing too you can do in this game. You can actually modify the genome. So, actually, we're going to modify this one. We're going to make it a different color. Incubation failed. Oh, that's another thing I have to worry about. So another thing, right, is you can modify these genes, but as you can see, the reliability goes down. Now there's actually, let me go back. I didn't know my reliability is not good right now, so I'm not going to do that. Yes, I know.
That will increase the amount of viable data.
So sadly, that egg did not hatch. So we're going to try it again. So now each building also has upgrades. So I definitely want to try to unlock these. Not the incubation speed. Incubation speed is nice, but I usually go for the success rate because that definitely increases your percentage. So then you can build really cool and powerful looking dinosaurs if you want to. Alright, so let's go another expedition. I guess let's just keep going for the Triceratops. Let's go to that one because there's multiple dinos there. And off they go. We'll go to the fossil center. See what we got. Oh yeah, so here's a perfect one. It's a perfect genome. So we're gonna extract that. Actually, extract that first and then that one. Oh yeah, and here's our other Strutho. And there we go.
A Struthiomimus.
Struthiomimus. There we go.
Another dinosaur that furthers the case of a direct linkage to our modern birds.
Oh yeah, that's right. God, what am I gonna name you? I got Stewie. Who are you? I'm trying to think. I'll call you Rick. I don't know why. That just came to my mind. So we're gonna call you Rick. You got Stewie and Rick. We're only dinos right now. All right, so now let's see what else do I need to do. I'm trying to get the. I'm almost there with that. I guess let me go get another contract from one of these guys. Oh, nice! I can actually breed them now, so that's good. Let's do. Actually, we'll do head of entertainment. Or not. Oh, what's the button? I'm trying to remember. Oh, that's the database. Contracts. There we go. New contract. For me, entertainment.
Hey, I'm Isaac. I've been hearing good things about you.
Alright, yeah.
I'm in charge of the
Yeah.
entertainment division here. What good is the world's greatest show if no one sees it?
Okay.
Don't answer. That's rhetorical and painfully obvious. What I'm saying is that we need people in our parks. Fill up our facilities with warm bodies. Numbers bring revenue, excitement, and opportunities.
Alright, so we're gonna build another enclosure. I'm gonna have this with the carnivore. Let's put it right there. I should have made it. Why didn't I make? Oh, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, no. It looks really bad. No, stop it. 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 I don't want to look at my stupidity. Let's do this. So at least looks nice. There we go. Looks better. And bada bing, bada boom. Okay. So now let's make the enclosure. I guess I can only do a light steel. So hopefully that's enough. Make this pretty decent sized. I am not making a profit. That's fine. I should be making a profit soon though. Alright, there we go. And then let's clear out some...
I've got a new opportunity with the science division, if you're interested.
Sure. Alright. Let's get rid of most of these trees. Oh yeah, another thing I didn't talk about. Actually, I probably should check our Struth. I already forgot how to pronounce your names. Alright, let's go with Stewie, right?
I'm
So-
Claire Deering, and I've been on these islands before.
So as you can
Before
see,
Nublar, I made some
each
mistakes
dinosaur
and I
has its
tried to
own
set them
unique
right. I
things
believe
basically
in
you
what
have to
we're
do.
doing.
It's got
I
food, water,
believe
which I gotta give
in
food,
these
which I'll do that.
dinosaurs.
And then they usually prefer like the grassland to forest or the wetland. That's new. I don't remember that. And then also from population, which is basically different. Well, population's overall how many dinos you can put in one enclosure. The social is the dinos of the same species basically. So right, these guys actually need food. So actually, let's do that right away because they are. I need to feed them. So right now I'm getting a herbivore, a ground herbivore. Let's put it like right here. That should be enough for the both of them. It's just 2 dinos, so that should be just enough for them. Now I don't know why I have to put a feeder in if we get these plants and stuff. I mean, I guess we're giving them healthier food. I don't know. Anyways. Expedition just came back. Oh yeah, another thing I do have to worry about is you can deplete sites. So for instance, this lance formation is partially depleted, so I have to be careful about that. Well, I don't really have to be careful about that, but I gotta keep that in mind. That's for sure. I found poop. I found dino poop. Alright, well, that's useless. But it was worth money. Why? I don't know. Alright, alright, so yeah, so right now, I believe... I'm trying to remember what they like. I don't think they like a lot of forest, if I remember. So let's just give them a decent amount. I think they like some to hide in, but not a whole lot. We'll do that. I want to be able to have some area where our guests can see them, at least. Let's actually make it a little bit bigger. Let's clear out here as well. And we'll give them like this area, and then we'll give it some water. Put it... Yeah. And then, you know what, for the fun of it, we can put some... Ooh, this is new. I don't remember this. Do some vibrant plants. Because why not? Sure, that's vibrant. Alright. So now, we're going to incubate you. Alright, so you only have a 61% chance. For now, I don't want to modify you. For now. Hey, Triceratops. Okay, nice. Incubate. Okay.
We are making great strides so far. I believe I may be on the cusp
Before I
of something
forget.
wondrous, and I have you to thank, at least in part, for where I find
Oh,
you.
I'm broke.
Now
Huh.
we need to incubate, hatch, and house our dinosaur. Then we will know if
Um,
our efforts will have been worth it.
Yes. I'm broke. I need money. I need money. Can you give me money? So wait, didn't I get money for the Triceratops? Oh, I have to incubate it. Oh. Well. Alright, hopefully the expedition team came back with the small or medium herbivore fossil, and then I need to build and power a restaurant. Nice. Okay, so I think I got some money for that. Not much. But you know what? It's something.
Let me tell you something that I myself have heard many times before. I don't know how you did it.
No, incubate it.
Just that you did.
Research it.
So thanks.
Okay. Now what?
No matter what anyone else
Restrooms.
says, science is what makes or breaks us.
Rest. No, it's
Admittedly,
fast food.
sometimes both.
Oh, there we go.
But on Isla Matanceros, you are making
Just put you right
us
there.
and yourself.
Pretty close to the entrance. So this is the entrance to the park, as you can tell. Are we open? Apparently we are. But I guess we don't really have a lot of dinos right now. Well, a lot of cool ones. I mean, no offense to Rick and Stewie here. They're okay, you know? They're not the best. But I will get the best soon. Alright, just keep going on expeditions. I might need to... Yeah, do that. So also another thing too is when you get basically complete a genome, the better reliability is from incubating it. Hey, nice. Okay, I have money. I am still broke though. Hold on. Can I at least build a feeder? Why? That is an expensive feeder that just dispenses meat. That's all that does. Well, usually, right, I like to have, for the carnivores, I like to have two. Your static feeder, and then from Jurassic Park, your live feeder, where they literally dispenses goats. So they can at least get, like, you know, their exercise and stuff. At least they get their primal instincts satisfied. So, alright, I really can't do anything with research right now. Actually, can I? No, I need money. Alright, more contracts it is then. Because I am broke. Alright, I guess let's go to the security.
This is Lambert, head of security.
Yours,
Okay.
theirs, and mine. Welcome to the islands. So here's our basic conundrum.
Oh,
We
I
want to keep
ran
our
no
animals
problem.
under control while simultaneously
I have
encouraging
another
instinctive
problem, but okay.
behaviors. Because these animals have potential as combatants. Look, everyone's fear object, myself included, is to have these animals running free and loose in the park. But we can't exploit them globally without taking some chances.
Alright, so the problem is the contract that I need a building, which I can't buy. I need the ranger station. So there are also a couple other stations too. The ranger station, it basically has the jeeps where you can, as you can see there, repair buildings, objects,
Contracts help with research. Research is the
sure.
foundation on which the Jurassic World properties are built.
Repair feeders and resupply them.
What have we
And then take
here?
photos and also medicate dinosaurs. The ACU center is basically your tranquilizer. It's basically if a dino gets
At
out,
first,
your
I
T-Rex
bought
gets
into
out,
this
starts eating
because it was
people,
my
you send
job.
this guy in.
But then I saw what we do here.
But
It's a kind of
yeah.
magic. The value of these animals
I
is
want
so
to get
much
those, but
more
I can't
than
get those
just
yet.
financial.
Oh, our expedition team's back. And hey, these guys are ready to go. But the problem is I have no money. So I don't want them to starve. Let me keep them in there for a second. Hold on. Actually, before I send you on an expedition, let me see what you collected. I need to start selling stuff. Oh, it kind of pains me to sell this, but it's worth so much money. I kind of need to, because I need to get feeders going. because once I release these guys, we're gonna start actually making money. And there she is. And there we go.
Carnivore, I see. This time, a ceratosaurus.
Ceratosaurus. Okay. I'm not gonna remember how to say that. A ceratosaurus. Okay.
Just what you don't want to run into when you're out there alone, or in a group.
Thanks. Thanks for reminding me. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, I need to put a gate. Ah, it's too expensive. Alright, well. I have problems. That did go up. My park rating did go up a bit. This is good. How many... Dispense every like 12 minutes. Should be fine. Okay. Who are we naming you? How are we naming you?
Work on that contract. Our research budget is more secure
Oh,
now.
I reached a thing. Nice. No, at the gate. At the gate. No, no. Ooh.
Hey, it's Isaac. How you doing?
Hi. How
I
you
got some
doing?
Cool stuff you need to be a part of. So
I want you. I want that money.
Come on and help the winning team.
I'm abandoning the other one.
Mine.
There we go. He's giving me $1 million for these guys, so I have to. All right, there we go.
All right, look, I am all about the show. And with these dinosaurs, we have one unlike any other on the planet. Theme parks rely on drawing people in. And what is more attractive than new dinosaurs? Well, me, of course. Yeah, no, what I'm saying is let's get some fresh dinos in the hopper.
Okay. Okay. Ah, God, what am I gonna name you?
These creatures like grist for the mill or propping them up as curiosities.
Oh, what am I gonna name you? God, I'm not, like, all my names are just, I can't think of anything. I'm naming you Dave. Yeah, you're Dave. That's a Dave, all right. So something I noticed, or I've learned too. Oh God, I already forget how to pronounce her name. These guys, that they can only withstand basically two of them. They can actually handle a lot of other population, as you can see, but they can only handle two. They usually prefer to be alone, or it's okay if they got one other dinosaur with them. And then this guy, Bobby. Alright, there we go. Alright, so are we in the positives, at least for money? We are. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. Now I'm not losing money, because I still need to make a lot more things. I need to make the ranger station, which, my God, is $400,000. Alright, that's... Okay. That's going to be a little bit. Can I send another expedition out? God, 100. Alright, alright, to get the $1 million, I need to go for you. Oh, I just did this. Oh, no. Okay, well. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Well, I mean, now it's since this is kind of a waiting game now. Because I don't have enough money to incubate any more dinosaurs, but I am making money, so I just kind of have to wait. I do want to make... Actually, I think this might be a good just stopping point, actually. I think, yeah, you know what? I'm going to end this episode here. I think it's a good stopping point. I'm just going to kind of let this run and make some more money before... Well, I can't make any dinos because I'm broke. But I think for the next episode, I definitely want to do some Triceratops, do some Trikes, and then, I mean, why not the... Oh, God. The Edsaurus. Edosaurus. We're just going to call them the Edisauruses. So, yeah. I'm just going to let this run. let the money build, and yeah. So this is a nice little start. It's good to be back. It's good to be back playing this because I haven't played this in a while. Like I said, back since they came out with the Jurassic Park DLC, which I will do that as well. I do want to do a campaign of that as well because it's pretty cool. It actually were really accurate to the movie. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned.
You up for a new challenge?
I was in the middle of something,
You are gonna wanna see
Isaac.
this
Isaac
new contract.
Clements. I'm in the middle of something. I'll take that because I need the money. But
Not entirely sure what a genome is, but if it's new, I like it.
I'm in the middle of something.
So, is it new?
I,
Yes.
I'm
Then it fits the bill.
okay. We're good. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.